BERGEKRAN BKF-35. Liebherr, a manufacturer of mobile crane systems and chassis for military equipment, has developed a multifunctional military crane, which is currently being tested. The machine is built on the basis of the civilian BERGEKRAN BKF-35 chassis. The differences of the military transporter lie in a high level of personnel protection and armoring of the main units. In addition, the armored GBKF travels long distances, so the power reserve of the conveyor is increased. Control of attachments, suspension, and steering is performed from the cabin using touch panels. The transporter is built on an 8x8 fully driven four-wheel drive chassis. Depending on the conditions, the front and rear four wheels can turn either in one or in different directions, which improves the maneuverability of the equipment. Its turning radius is 33 feet. The suspension has got an auto-stabilization system. Regardless of the terrain, the body maintains a horizontal position, while a 544 power turbo diesel, an automatic robotic gearbox, and an all-wheel drive enables overcoming 60-degree inclines. The machine is equipped with remotely controlled winches in front and behind, retractable supports, and a device for the evacuation of other equipment in the most difficult conditions. POWERHAND VRS 200. Traditional manual methods of cars recycling and the removing of high-value materials can be time-consuming and expensive, in many cases making this process costly. Despite the fact that the standard grip will allow extracting the engine, most of the materials to be processed remain in the hull and does not make a profit. For this purpose, a VRS 200 utilizer was developed in Sweden. The clamping levers secure the vehicle to allow the grip to take out the valuable materials in a directional manner from the hull to be disposed. Blades of the knife on the clamping brackets VRS 200 allow separating the engine block and transmission and suspension elements, as well as separately removing the wiring and the radiators. The manipulator is able to separately take out the battery and the blocks of electronic systems that were previously disposed of with the hull. CURT Systems. CURT Systems is a complex that helps in the preliminary preparation of young racehorses for training. It trains young horses in carefully controlled safe conditions, eliminating human error. Young stallions quickly adapt to the system of preliminary training, prepared in accordance with their psychological and anatomical features. CURT Systems improves athletic ability, reaction speed, strength, and endurance of horses, which reduces the risk of injury during training. Rail technology allows simultaneous training of up to 10 horses, setting up electronic equipment to monitor their condition, measuring, as well as recording of the physiological parameters of each horse. This allows the trainer to optimize the training regimen in accordance with the medical data recorded on the computer and helps the trainer to more effectively identify problems with the animal's health before they show up at competitions. Engcon Sweeper. Engcon has developed a number of innovative attachments for a standard hydraulic excavator. The EC Oil automatic quick clutch system allows the operator to connect hoses and couplings without leaving the cabin. Fast coupling designed with innovative safety features allows you mounting of the removable Engcon Sweeper rotor cassette. The brush can be used for sensitive areas. For example, for sweeping cable laying areas and for vertical surfaces, cleaning piles, foundations, or for cleaning of large areas along with a bucket installed at any angle. Engcon Sweeper is available in various widths, and in addition, it has a powerful hydraulic motor to drive the rotor of the harvesting machine and a hydraulic drum that allows adjusting the position of the cassette against the bucket and rotating the equipment along 360 degrees. Truck Surf Hotel is an incredible two-story hotel on wheels. The main difference of this mobile home is, of course, in its dimensions. The two-story design provides almost 3 times more living space than the average tourist van. Thing is that on the second floor of the novelty, there are 4 bedrooms at once. In addition, Truck Surf Hotel allows grabbing with you numerous tourist equipment ranging from surfboards to bicycles, motorcycles, and even quad bikes. A pleasant add-on is the possibility to unfold a mobile hotel for camping by setting up a veranda with a stretching tent and a kitchen outside. DEITE ride. Japanese engineers created a robot that turns into a car and is able to carry people. A 146-inch high robot can transform into a sports car in about a minute. Technically, it can walk at a speed of 0.06 miles per hour or ride on 4 wheels, but the developers state that they have not yet tested it outside the cargo department of the factory. Developers say they will use this technology in the entertainment industry, for example, in amusement parks or at street parades. Klassen Range Rover. The German company Klassen built a special armored limousine on the Range Rover platform. Visually, the car features a wheelbase with 6 doors extended by 42 inches. Limousines are armored to the highest levels of ballistic protection levels 7 and 9. The company offers models with extended armored rear doors, as well as an elevated roof and a panoramic hatch made of bulletproof glass. The exclusive interior is equipped with the deluxe dividing wall and modern technologies, such as the iMac control of the Multimedia Center PC, Wi-Fi, CD, DVD, premium Bang & Olufsen audio system, and hidden LED lighting. All necessary functions can be controlled using any device with the iOS operating system, including a mere iPhone. The technical characteristics of the car do not differ from the top configuration of the basic version. PARS 6x6 CBRN. The vehicle for chemical, biological, and nuclear intelligence, PARS 6x6 by the Turkish company FNSS, is based on a 6x6 all-wheel drive platform. The obstacle detecting radar is designed to identify chemical weapons and toxic industrial materials. It can also be used to detect and identify biological threats, radiological, and nuclear weapons for manual sampling, research, and labeling of contaminated areas. The conveyor is equipped with a remotely controlled weapon stabilization system, equipped with a 1.6-inch grenade launcher and a 0.5-inch or 0.3-inch machine gun. The radar is equipped with a 482 diesel engine with a speed of 62 miles an hour on land and 5 miles an hour on water. The engine works with an automatic 6-speed transmission. Independent hydropneumatic suspension is assembled based on a 2-lever scheme. The car range is up to 435 miles. Rubber removal. The runway rubber removal system is ideal for removing pavement markings, removing rubber from an airport runway, removing hardener on new concrete, renewing and cleaning pavement markings, preparing the surface for applying new markings, as well as for removing traces of tires, paints, and fats. The most popular application of the device is the removal of markings and rubber residues from asphalt and concrete runways without causing significant damage to the surface. It works only with pure water, without chemical additives, minimizing the impact on the environment. Rubber residues, paint, thermoplastic, and linear marks are removed at a speed of 2.5 miles an hour. PA19001 is a universal machine for accessing the bridge, its inspection and repair if necessary. Depending on the application, the device can be mounted on trucks, railway, vehicles, and platforms. The wide working range above the road or the railroad bed ensures work on high cable trusses and special bridge structures. The third span of the boom can be dismantled. The first model features a hydraulic lift with well-designed kinematics for bridges inspection. The second model of the lift is a working platform remotely controlled from the cabin with a lifting height of up to 82 feet and an auto-leveling system. With a third boom span dismantled, the machine is used as a telescopic loader arm. Guys, thanks for watching us. If the video was interesting, Do not forget to